The JRB Solar Investment Limited also is viewed at the REA program.
The JRB Solar Investment Limited, we are one of the leading renewable energy companies in Nigeria. And this we have done so many, we have been existing for over 10 years now. And we've been into so many solar projects, ranging from residential, from commercial and industrial solar. And we have spanned and installed so many, thousands of megawatts of projects across Nigeria, even for government facilities as well. And we are trying to set the pace. For instance, REA setting up this forum of local assembling and local manufacturing. I can tell you we in JRB is setting that pace too as well to join the force by setting up our assembly line of solar panels. Not only solar panels per se, but integrated solar street light and some of the renewable energy solar system that we have. So this is one of the drive we are trying to do to bridge that gap between energy demand and supply, because we know very well that we are having so many deficits in the supply of solar renewable energy components. And that is why, as local manufacturers or local assemblers, we have to bridge that gap. Because imagine spending over $200 billion of importation of solar panels in 2023. Imagine putting this huge amount of money in the economy of Nigeria. You know what it is. So that is why we encourage that the local manufacturing in Nigeria should be key, and the support of the government. I'm so happy about the REA putting up this, and the support and the standards should be well organized. Thank you.
Talking about the affordability.
Talking about the affordability, yes, we know very well we cannot compete with China in terms of price and all that, because China alone has so many support. Their government are supportive in the sense of subsidy, in the sense of so many things, in the sense of pricing, human capital and all that. But in as much as that, when we talk about affordability, we know very well that when we talk of affordability, we also talk of sustainability too as well. So now, if we do this in Nigeria, what are we actually achieving? We are boosting the economy of Nigeria, right? And I can tell you, if we have the raw materials here in Nigeria. So when these raw materials are mined and used for the parts, raw materials of the solar panel, then we can get it manufactured here in Nigeria, and it can be affordable. Not only affordable, it can also be easily accessible. Imagine I as an importer importing solar panel in China, and it takes me over 45 days for this solar panel to get to Nigeria. Meanwhile, I can walk up to a local manufacturer here in Nigeria. In 2 days, I can get my product. Look at the time frame. And that is why this time frame should be considered when we talk about local manufacturing here in Nigeria.
Okay, sir, during your presentation, you facing stiffer competition from other solar manufacturing companies in Nigeria. How have you been able to beat this?
Let me say, pricing might not be the first point of call in this case when it comes to competition with our fellow manufacturers, because we are starting, right? And that is why what we should consider right now is how we can make sure that we can make Nigeria not only being a consuming country, but a manufacturing country. Pricing, our major competition is the people outside the country, the importers, the Chinese, which I know it's very hard to compete with. But looking at competing with us within ourselves, I don't think it should be the yardstick for now, because we are just starting. So we should try as much as possible. What we should consider in all ramifications is to make sure that this product is affordable and is accessible at a short period of time.
You are trying to the users of your product.
Quality. We are going to get that same quality you're getting out there. All the solar panels are TUV certified, and they are internationally certified, they are locally certified. So definitely they are fully certified and assured for the consumers of Nigeria.
Your name once again, sir?
Engineer Prince Bernard.